Hey folks, it's Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue, your Google Ads expert. You can find us at www.inboundrevenue.com. Imagine that. This video is another in our series where we take a look at one region, one niche, and see how competitive it is for Google Ads. See how many advertisers there are based on the keywords that we use. This time we're looking at landscaping in Tampa. Tampa, for our purposes, included Tampa, Lakeland, St. Petersburg, and Clearwater. And let's take a look at how busy the schedule was. First of all, if you look at the overview, there's 35 competitors. We've seen up to 55 competitors in this region in some of the niches, but 35 is still plenty to compete with. So if you look at the schedule, we always run these for one 24-hour period, pretty light overnight. And then it gets hot and heavy during the day with up to 15 advertisers. These are the keywords that we used. Landscaping near me, hardscaping near me, landscape designer, landscaping company. So pretty standard keywords for the landscape. Obviously there's a lot more keywords you could target, but this is to give us a general idea. Let's take a look at the advertisers, and we'll sort these with who ran the most ads for the most keywords in those areas. And interesting, in this case, it's wide open for a local advertiser because you can see Home Advisor and Thumbtack were the most prevalent advertisers. Pavers is next. So we're going to skip over looking at Home Advisor and Thumbtack because we pretty much know what they're about. Let's look at Pavers and see who these folks are, what their ads look like. Pavers, your paver experts. Well, now we know more. Professional hardscape design. They've got some extensions in there. #1 paver contractor. I always like numbers in ads. No offers that I can see. Are there any call to action? Not a lot in terms of call to action there. Let's see where they send these ads. Is it going to be to their homepage? JF Pavers. About us. And they do appear to be a local company. So they're just sending it to the homepage. I would personally prefer it. Well, they've got some reviews, how it works, our services. That's cool. Love to see a landing page with a little bigger phone number and a prominent form, but that's just how I roll. Let's take a look at our #3 competitor in the area. That would be Landcrafters, Florida. #1 landscape maintenance. We guarantee everything. I like that. There's a guarantee. It's big and bold. #1. They do everything. Best in landscape. I like that too. I like the bold language. Here, we guarantee everything. Let's take a look at, we're going to send us right to a scheduling page. I bet I won't like that. Well, that's not awful. Actually, I like that. I wish they had a phone number right here. Wonder why they don't. Your land, our craft. That's kind of cool. Nice form. Little drop down. Makes sense. They do not want phone calls, do they? Oh, there's a phone number. Designers. Sorry, design people. Put the phone number at the top. So, your expert landscaping partner, Tampa Bay. I like to see features, benefits at the top, but it's a decent landing page. Most of these advertisers, you'll notice, are sending things right to their homepage, which I'm not a fan of. Let's take a look at the 5th most relevant one, or most often seen, Evolve Your Lawn. Take a look at their ads. Lakeland Landscaping Services. They may have just been advertising in Lakeland because not including themselves in Tampa, St. Pete, and such. Let's see what they send us, where they send the traffic. Okay, it's interesting. I don't get that, but who am I? I'd prefer a landing page. I do like the fact they have a big phone number here. Or I prefer, yeah, this looks like a website. It's not terrible. I like this information at the top of the feature, at the top of the page. You know, form, phone number, who we are, where we serve, features, benefits. So that's a quick overview of our region here, Tampa, in the landscaping niche. Again, 35 advertisers. It looks wide open to me if you want to get into that. If you want to get into advertising your landscape company in Tampa, it looks like it's wide open. We could tear that up for you. Reach out to us at inboundrevenue.com. If you have any questions about this video, thoughts, observations, if I just bored the crap out of you, drop some comments below. Appreciate it. And landscaping is one of my favorite niches. So for any agencies out there looking at landscaping as a potential niche to go after, it's a good one. I urge you to do it.